Right. In this lecture, I'm going to explain the another method to solve a linear differential equation, that is method of variation of parameters. So this method is used to find the particular integral of second order linear differential equation with variable coefficients of the form. Okay. So this method is not general method. It is applicable only for second order linear differential equation with variable coefficients as well as constant coefficients. So d square y by dx square plus p of x into dy by dx plus q of x into y equal r of x. So here the coefficients is p of x, q of x, and right side function. All these are functions of independent variable x. Okay, right side as usual we have function of independent variable, and the coefficients of derivatives are functions of independent variable, that is variable coefficients. Okay, so this is not general method. It is applicable only for second order linear differential equations. Okay, so first part to as usual we find complementary function. Let the complementary function is c1 some other function y1 of x plus c2 some y2 of x. From this complementary function we write y1 and y2. c1 coefficient is y1, c2 coefficient is y2. Next we find Wronskian of these two functions. Wronskian of these two functions given by W called determinant of the matrix, that is y1, y2, y1 dash, y2 dash. Determinant of this matrix. Not this is not a matrix. This is determinant. Determinant of the matrix. First row y1 function, y2 function. Second row their derivatives. So what is determinant? Y1 into y2 dash minus y1 dash into y2. This should be not equal 0. This Wronskian should be not equal 0. Then only this method is applicable. If Wronskian is 0, this method is not applicable. Okay. Then particular integral is given by u y1 plus v y2. U into y1 plus v into y2. Y1 is c1 coefficient in the complementary function. Y2 is c2 coefficient in the complementary function. Here u and v are unknown functions, we have to calculate. So here u equal minus integral y2 capital R by w dx. So u is minus integral y2. This is y2 into capital R. Capital R is right side function in the differential equation by w is Wronskian into dx. And v equal integral y1 r by w dx. Okay. So for u we have negative sign, for v there is no negative sign. Okay. So here r by w common in both formulae. Okay. Just this and this will change. Okay. Since u is coefficient of y1, in the formula of u you have y2. In the formula of v you have y1. Okay. That is the way to remember without confusion. So calculate these two functions u and v and substitute in the particular integral. We get particular integral of the given equation. Then finally solution is dependent variable equal complementary function plus pi. Okay. So first part is same, finding complementary function. Just to finding particular integral is changed. Okay. So consider this problem. Solve d square y by dx square plus 4y equal tan 2x by method of variation of parameters. So you apply this method only when the method is mentioned. Otherwise, you do the usual by using the usual methods. Okay. So solve this equation by using method of variation of parameters. First part to find complementary function. For that, auxiliary equation is m square plus 4 equals 0. Since it is second derivative term, so m square plus 4 equals 0. So m square equal minus 4. M equal to root of minus 4. Under square root we have minus. So we get complex conjugate roots plus or minus 2i. That is 0 plus or minus 2i. So real part is 0 and imaginary part is 2. Complementary function is e power ax, e power 0x into c1. Imaginary part is 2. So c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. E power 0x is e power 01. So c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. So this is of the form c1 y1 plus c2 y2. So let y1 equal cos 2x and y2 is called sine 2x. Okay, so this is y1, c1 coefficient, c2 coefficient, this is y2. Okay, or you can take either side, y1 is sine 2x and y2 is cos 2x. You can take in that way also, there is no problem. Okay, so then find Wronskian. To find Wronskian, first derivatives, y1 dash is called cos 2x derivative minus sine 2x into 2x derivative 2, so minus 2 sine 2x. Then y2 dash is called sine 2x derivative cos 2x into 2x derivative 2. Then find Wronskian, w equal, this is the formula. Actually, this is not matrix, this is determinant. Okay, substitute. First y1 cos 2x, y2 sine 2x. Second row y1 dash minus 2 sine 2x, y2 dash 2 cos 2x. Actually, this is determinant. Okay, right. Find the determinant. Cos 2x into 2 cos 2x. This is cos minus sine 2x into minus 2 sine 2x. Okay, so this is 2 cos square 2x. So here minus or minus plus 2 sine square 2x. Take 2 common. Cos square 2x plus sine square 2x, that is 1. So that is 2, not equal 0. Therefore, Wronskian is not equal 0. Therefore, this method can be applicable. Then by method of variation of parameters, particular integral is uy1 plus vy2. Let it be 1. So here u equal to minus integral y2r by w dx. Substitute minus integral y2. y2 is sine 2x. So y2 is sine 2x into capital R. Capital R is right side function in the given equation, that is tan 2x by w Wronskian, that is 2. Okay, that is equal to minus, take 1 by 2 common, minus 1 by 2 sine 2x into tan 2x is sine 2x by cos 2x into dx. Then minus 1 by 2 integral sine 2x into sine 2x, sine square 2x by cos 2x dx. So in the denominator we have cos 2x. So convert the numerator into cos terms. So sine square 2x is 1 minus cos square 2x. Right, 1 minus cos square 2x by 2x. Separate the fraction. Minus 1 by 2 into integral 1 by cos 2x minus cos square 2x by cos 2x. So cos 2x gets cancelled. So 1 cos 2x. 1 by cos 2x means secant 2x minus cos 2x dx. So secant 2x integral, logarithm of secant 2x plus tan 2x. So integral secant x is log secant x plus tan x. So here we have secant 2x. So log secant 2x plus tan 2x by 2x derivative 2 minus cos 2x integral sin 2x by 2. So this is u. Okay, take 1 by 2 common. This is minus 1 by 4 into log of secant 2x plus tan 2x. Minus sin 2x. Okay, this is u. Similarly, find v. V called integral y1 r by w dx. That equal y1 means cos 2x into capital R means right side function tan 2x by w is Wronskian, that is 2. Take 1 by 2 common, 1 by 2 cos 2x into tan 2x, sin 2x by cos 2x. So cos 2x gets cancelled. So 1 by 2 into integral sin 2x dx. So 1 by 2 into integral sin 2x is minus cos 2x by 2x derivative 2. So v equal to minus 1 by 4 cos 2x. So substitute uv in 1. Therefore, particular integral is u into, that is minus 1 by 4 log secant 2x plus tan 2x minus sin 2x. This is u. This whole thing is u into y1 cos 2x plus v minus 1 by 4 cos 2x. This is v into y2 sin 2x. So multiply and simplify this. So cos 2x into this logarithm minus or minus plus 1 by 4 sin 2x into cos 2x. Next minus 1 by 4 cos 2x sin 2x. So these two terms gets cancelled. So we have minus 1 by 4 cos 2x into log of secant 2x plus tan 2x. This is particular integral. Therefore, solution is dependent variable y equals cf plus pi. combine these two terms. So this is the solution. Consider another problem. Solve d square y by dx square plus y equal 2 by 1 plus e power x by method of variation of parameters. Right, first part as usual, auxiliary equation is m square minus 1 equals 0. So m square equal to 1, m equal to root 1. Root 1 means plus or minus 1, that is minus 1 comma 1. Root 1 means plus or minus 1. So the two roots are minus 1 and 1. So these are real and distinct roots. So complementary function is for corresponding to minus 1, c1 e power minus x plus corresponding to 1, c2 e power x. Then take y1 and y2. So let y1 equal c1 coefficient e power minus x and y2 equal c2 coefficient e power x. Next to find Wronskian. For that find derivatives, y1 dash equal e power minus x derivative, e power minus x into minus x derivative, minus 1. So minus e power minus x. Next y2 dash equal e power x derivative, e power x. Then find Wronskian, w equal this determinant. Substitute first y1 e power minus x, y2 e power x, y1 dash minus e power minus x, y2 dash e power x. Find determinant, product of these two, e power minus x into e power x minus e power minus x into e power x. So e power minus x into e power x, e power minus x plus x, that is e power 0, 1. Here also e power 0, 1 minus or minus plus 1. This is 2 not equal 0. So Wronskian is not equal 0. So therefore this method is applicable. So by method of variation of parameters, particular integral is uy1 plus vy2. So here u equal to minus integral y2 r by w dx. That is minus integral y2. y2 is e power x. y2 is e power x into capital R. Capital R is right side function, that is 2 by 1 plus e power x. This is capital R by 2. Okay. So 2 gets cancelled. So e power x by 1 plus e power x into dx. How do you write this integral? Observe derivative of 1 plus e power x is 1 derivative 0 plus e power x derivative e power x, that is e power x. So derivative of denominator equal to numerator. So this is f dash x by f of x form. So integral is log f of x. This is minus log 1 plus e power x. This is u. Similarly, v equal integral y1 r by w dx. That is y1 is e power minus x. E power minus x into r, 2 by 1 plus e power x whole divided by 2 dx. 2 gets cancelled. So this is e power minus x by 1 plus e power x. So here derivative of 1 plus e power x is e power x, but in the numerator we have e power minus x. Okay, right. First write e power minus x as 1 by e power x. This become 1 by e power x into 1 plus e power x. So split into partial fractions. Since here we have product of two terms, how do you split into partial fractions? Simply write this 1 as 1 plus e power x minus e power x. Okay, write this 1 as difference of the two terms in the denominator, 1 plus e power x minus 1. Since clearly e power x gets cancelled, we have 1. Separate the fraction. So 1 plus e power x by this term. So 1 plus e power x gets cancelled. We have 1 by e power x minus e power x by this term. So e power x gets cancelled, 1 by 1 plus e power x. So first this is integral 1 by e power x means e power minus x minus, right. So to calculate this integral, express e power x in terms of e power minus x. This is 1 by 1 plus e power x can be written as 1 by e power minus x. To get into the form f dash x by f of x form. Okay. For that, express e power x in terms of negative powers. That is 1 by e power minus x. So separate the integral e power minus x dx minus, take here LCM, 1 by LCM is e power minus x. So e power minus x plus 1 by e power minus x. Okay. So take here LCM, this LCM. 1 by LCM is e power minus x. So e power minus x plus 1. So first integral is e power minus x integral e power minus x by minus x derivative minus 1. So that is minus e power minus x. This comes to numerator. So minus integral e power minus x by e power minus x plus 1 dx. Now derivative of this term, e power minus x derivative minus e power minus x plus 1 derivative 0. That is minus e power minus x. So derivative of denominator equal to minus e power minus x. So here we have minus outside, write it into inside, plus minus e power minus x by e power minus x plus 1 dx. Okay. So derivative of e power minus x plus 1 is minus e power minus x. So this is f dash x by f of x form. That is log f of x. Therefore, v equal to minus e power minus x plus log, sorry, this is plus, not minus, plus log 1 plus e power minus x. Therefore, substitute in 1, particular integral called u y1. So u is minus log 1 plus e power x into y1 e power minus x plus v minus e power minus x plus log 1 plus e power minus x into e power x. So multiply. So here e power x into e power minus x, that is e power 0 1. So minus 1 plus e power x into this. This is particular integral. So solution is y equals cf plus pi. Combine these two terms. Okay, so this is a second example, that is Legendre's linear equation with variable coefficients.